What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Trader's Journey on YouTube. Thanks again for joining me on another video. Sorry, I've been a bit quiet on the channel. Been trying to focus on the members group which we've got going here on Discord. If you haven't checked that out, make sure you check out the links in the description box below. Today we've got an exciting video covering off a really cool stock which I've been keeping an eye on for a while now, and we've seen some hype on social media and across the news. So I'm going to be covering off the fundamentals and the technicals in this video for you guys to get hopefully involved with. Just before I get into this video, if you haven't checked out my Instagram, it is traderjourney_official. Be sure to check it out. I've got trading and investing tips which I'll upload daily on my story and via post as well. So make sure you give me a follow there. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me also, and I'll be sure to help you guys out. So as you can see here, we have a chart which is SOS Limited, and that is what this video is going to be dedicated about. It is SOS Limited, and as you probably will know, it is associated with the Bitcoins, the cryptocurrency world, and it is a stock that is being predicted to fly astronomically, and we're going to see some huge gains on this stock. You can see here from the chart we have come down from previous highs over the years. So this is as a technical analysis. You can see, we've had some tremendous all-time highs here, and it has come down over the years, and we have seen it slow. But recently, with recent times, there is some good fundamentals driving the price upwards, which we'll hopefully see a huge benefit from. So at the moment, the current stock is trading at $3.04. It would have been ideal to get in sub $3, sorry. So, but unfortunately, the stock has been running, and seen as though it's near all-time lows here. It's a very good risk to reward opportunity here to get into the stock just from a technical standpoint. But like I said, 304, if we break, you can see these profit targets here with clear resistance levels. 410 is the next resistance we have here. Then we've got 483, 615, 723, and imagine we could see potential highs here if the fundamentals suit as well and the momentum keeps on going. We can see 1746, which is a huge return, and I'm really excited. I managed to get into this stock this past week, and there's been so much good news which I'll surely get onto shortly in this video, but you'll be able to understand why this has so much hype on this stock. But I'm excited to see what's to come. So from a technical standpoint, guys, you can see it is near enough all-time lows here, which we had of about 57 cents. The risk is there. You'll have to ride through potential swings here, but with the momentum and the news and the fundamentals building up here, I could potentially see in the short term already 866 and 1746 for clear profit targets there. But as a long-term investment, guys, this is something you can't be sleeping on. It's being there is some sort of rumors that Warren Buffett has bought in to this stock with huge amounts. There is institutional investors involved here from rumors as well. We can't obviously confirm that, but based on the fundamentals and the news, you'll see why, guys, why this stock is one of the stocks you don't want to miss for this year, for 2021. So let's come on to some fundamentals, guys, and help you understand what this stock is about. So SOS Limited is the name. It is listed on the New York Stock Exchange, and one of the interesting things I wanted to mention before getting into the details is that this stock actually has 100 software copyrights and 4 certifications. So they have a lot of patents, and they've got some IP there. And it's interesting to know that they have these assets already. They have these intangible sort of assets, patents that they've already managed to amass 100 software copyrights. So they are definitely a leader in their industry. Now, just going into the details of what these guys actually do. So particularly, these guys are involved with mainly cryptocurrency and blockchain based technology, but that will not only cover one particular sector or industry, it covers a huge array of industries and sectors, including insurance, fintech, you name it, banking. It's got so many involvements. It's even being involved with 5G and satellite networks, would you believe? But they are basically a stock of the future, guys. They are going to be involved with AI, blockchain, and several other technologies around based on the future, really. Firewall systems, security, crypto security, you name it. These guys are leading the way in that technology space. So SOS Limited is the name, guys. It's announced that it has recently completed the initial steps of its blockchain strategy. So that's one of the latest news that has come to date. To go along with this, the company also says that it has developed a firewall system, personal biological information storage system, and antivirus system, all of which are based on blockchain and artificial intelligence. So we are yet to see much progress in that particular space in terms of technology. So now we're seeing this stock take the lead and just get better and better as the time goes on. They're just improving and developing their strategy and breaking through so many barriers in this technological space. But yeah, I mean, what's also interesting to mention, guys, is you guys are all aware of what happened to GME in this past week with Wall Street Bets, and there has been some rumors as well going through the internet. There has been some rumors that SOS stock has been alongside other shares that are on the rise thanks to retail investors, which has also been rumored to have brought about from Reddit themselves. So whether it's Wall Street Bets or any other sort of forum there, SOS is one of those stocks that has been getting huge coverage on the Reddit platform. Since then, obviously, these investors have been searching out other shares as well as GME, and it looks like SOS is among their targets. So it is going to catch the momentum of retail investors as well as you guys. So, you know, it's going to be one of those exciting rides for this year of 2021. Now, what's also to mention, they are involved with crypto security. You guys understand how many people have lost cryptocurrency over the years. There's some crazy news out there of people losing billions and millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. So these guys are getting themselves involved with sort of crypto security and being able to track lost cryptocurrency. So that would be a huge market. And as you can understand, like other stocks such as Mara and Riot, cryptocurrency, as it's rised in price, so has those stock prices. So I would expect the same sort of nature and correlation to happen here between cryptocurrency and the SOS stock. So it's going to be exciting times if you are riding the wave for cryptocurrency as well. I do have a small percentage of my portfolio still in cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. So I think with the rises there, we should see some increases and popularity grow with this particular stock. So they are also making use of cloud-based technology to help with mining and sort of security and firewall purposes. So they are just breaking through so many technological barriers here, guys. And if you just search the stock in terms of the latest news, you'll find so much news that has just come out recently. I mean, on the 21st of January 2021, SOS Limited has entered into a purchase agreement to acquire 15,645 mining rigs, and this will be a combination of mining Ethereum and Bitcoin. So you can imagine, with the ability to mine lost cryptocurrency as well as new and solve new cryptocurrency and blockchain, you can understand how much revenue they would be able to sort of generate, you know, from their activities alone. So with the hash powers, obviously they've got huge power there to mine this cryptocurrency. And you know, they have been told, it has also been said, this is one of the exciting things, they have been said, with this power that they have, with these ability to use these mining rigs which they've just purchased, they should be able to mine roughly around $200,000 per day, US dollars per day, based on the current cryptocurrency prices. Now, if you imagine Bitcoin rises, Ethereum rises, and it keeps on rising, their ability to cash in every single day will rise as well as the cryptocurrency prices rise. So they are expected to get delivery of these shipments in sort of 3 separate installments, sometime in February, March, and sometime in April. So you can imagine, if you catch this wave now, and their revenues they're gonna grow exponentially for the future, and especially this year. So as those mining rigs get delivered, and as they are able to sort of generate and mine these cryptocurrencies in February, March, and April, when they have delivery installments for their mining rigs, you will be able to catch huge revenue and revenue flows and shareholder wealth from that particular business segment. But as I say, SOS Limited are involved in an array of pieces of work for the future, such as biological information, security, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. So, you know, with all the hype with retail traders that's happened in the past week, it won't surprise me if this catches some huge traction. Now, obviously, the other stocks which have been pumped recently, namely by Wall Street bets, their fundamentals don't look as good. But one of the things we have positive here is the fundamentals are looking amazing for SOS Limited, and you know, with all the announcements that they've had in recent times, with all the news surrounding SOS Limited, you'll understand why it's such a good buy right now. Now, it would have been nice to get it in at sub $3. It is trading, as I said, at $3.04, but with the upside potential on this stock, it's not too late. It's still $3, and you know, with potential profit targets of $17.46, $30, you know, it's going to be an insane ride for 2021. So yeah, I mean, this is really what I wanted to just mention here on the channel. It's an exciting stock. I have added it to my portfolio as well as my members in this past week. We are excited to be part of this journey that SOS Limited is about to take us through. But I'm expecting, based on the news, social media trending the stock, you know, it's only right that we expect a huge upside potential on this stock. You know, there is some other analysis on the stock from other YouTubers claiming Warren Buffett is in huge. It is obviously a rumor, guys, so don't take it seriously. It isn't confirmed, but just the rumor alone is enough to take this stock flying to new all-time highs, guys. So, you know, that covers off this video. It is an exciting stock for the future. Try and catch it in, invest as much as you're willing to lose, guys, and that stands for any investment you get into, because investment does carry risk. So be careful with not putting your whole life savings into these investments, but try and invest if you can, as you'll be sure to hopefully catch an amazing ride on this stock. Now, like I said, with the revenues coming up for this year, with all the installments that they're getting for the deliveries of the rigs, the patents that they have, it's going to be an amazing ride. They have actually just recently appointed a new president, which is Dr. Yan, and you know, he is obviously a leader in this sort of space as well, due to research of cryptocurrency and crypto security. Dr. Yan is ahead of the times for those security management specialities, and you know, with him on board, it's going to just take this stock to future highs. And you know, there's also another comment I'd like to make, and it is the SOS chairman. His name is Yandai Wang. He commented, "R&D is our lifeblood and our growth engine. We anticipate investing 15% of our revenue in R&D, and the annual growth of R&D budget to be over 10% in each of the next 5 years." So you can understand, guys, these guys are not messing around. They want to be the leader. They want to surpass everyone in this technological space, and they are continuing to invest in research and development. So that will only take them to new horizons, and they'll continue to grow this business into something that's it's unknown how far this is going to go, guys. But with their R&D so far to date, with the reinvestments of R&D and their potential revenues with mining cryptocurrency, you can only imagine where this stock is heading. It's heading to the moon, guys. So if you're not on board this flight, make sure you jump in. Hopefully on Monday we'll be trading still at the similar price of $3. So try and catch it whilst you can. And if you haven't researched it as yet, give it a Google and you'll be able to see some of the news articles surrounding the stock. So that's all I wanted to cover today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will be continuing to make these videos in the coming weeks, coming months and years, to help you guys find the latest and most up-to-date stock market news and the best stocks in the market. So make sure you've subscribed if you haven't done so already. Drop a like on this video, as I would appreciate it. And if you have any comments, leave it there as well, and hit me a DM on my Instagram, which is traderjourney_official. So thanks very much for watching today. I will catch you all on the next one. Take care. Goodbye.